Assalamualaikum viewers, I'm Mahian Jalil. Glad to see you in my channel. Today I gonna show you some hidden feature in WhatsApp. So without any delay, let's go into the video. Okay, first we have to go WhatsApp. Now we have to go these three buttons and we have to go settings. Now we have to go chats. Here you can find theme. I am already using dark, it's system default. You can also use light. You can see it's light. I'm always use dark for better view. You can also use it. Then you can change wallpaper in all the conversation in WhatsApp. It will be done by here. Okay. Another hidden feature is if you press enter in keyboard, then it will send your message to that person. You have to enable it. Then you can save automatically media in your phone by enable this. It is default enable, so I don't change anything. Then you can change font size. It will large and it will small. After that you can keep chats in archived. Then you can change apps language by pressing this. Also you can backup your chats by pressing this. You have to give a Google account here. I'm not giving you example because I have to give passwords, emails and so on. You can backup your videos also by enable this. Then you have to click on this backup. Okay. Then you can see chat history. You can export all chats, clear all chats, delete all chats, archived all chats. So this is hidden feature in WhatsApp. Everybody don't know and some people know those. I am making video for those who don't know how to manage WhatsApp. So keep in touch with me if you want to know something new. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching my video. If you are interested, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Do like, comment and share with your friends and family.